welcome back to the channel. So today we've got something a little bit different. As you see, I've got my two little goons with me. So we're going to be doing a little bit of work on the old Peewee 50. Spencer over here, he's at the age now where he's riding a push bike with two wheels, so he's pretty keen to get out on the motor with two wheels. So we've dragged the old Peewee 50 out of the shed. Hasn't been touched for a while since his brother outgrew it. But it's been waiting for this occasion. As you can see, it's been highly neglected. But one of the things we're going to do in this video here is we're going to take this back brake here from off the handlebars and we're going to make a foot control for it down the other side, so it's like a normal dirt bike. So that way when it comes to transitioning to a bigger bike for Spence, it's going to be a lot easier. He's already going to know where the front and back brakes are located. It's just a matter of getting used to the clutch and we should be sweet. So we're going to go ahead and mock up something on cardboard, see if we can get some sort of shape we can use out of this, and then we can get into it. Alright guys, so there you go. We've got 3 pieces that we've gone and made up for this. So we've got the spacer, which is now actually stuck in there. I've actually painted into it. We've got the actual foot piece. And we've got ourselves the cable holder. So the cable holder goes in here. Our foot piece goes in here with the spacer. And we've just tapped the holes in the casings, as you've seen. So we've got 2 holes that were already there. There was no threads in them though. So we've done an M6 in the top and an M8 in the bottom. So the M8 will actually hold the pedal on. The M6 is for the cable mount. We had to cut our cable shorter. Then we put a hole through an M8 screw so the cable can go in, and then it will clamp up, and that pulls our cable tension. And then it's just a matter of adjusting the rear drum brake, getting it to adjustment, and it seems to be working sweet. So, in saying that, let's go ahead, get this thing fitted.
Maybe it was you, something in the room that illuminated me. 'Cause I was in the dark, wrestling the scars, but you took away everything. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist. 'Cause this is everything I wished, and so much more. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. Let's come alive in the dark. Come alive in the dark. I was burning down, the sky was full of clouds, but you broke through everything. Now all of the doubt, all that brought me down, is a million miles away. Now I'm seeing blue sky, looking here in your eyes. I fade away in your smile as we melt into the twilight. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist. 'Cause this is everything I wished, and so much more. You are mine.
Alright guys, so there you go. Super cool little mod. We've got the back brake down here now. Tried to get Spence to give us a little bit of a demo. We're doing a couple of skids. Probably pushing my luck since it was his first time really riding the bike. Nearly stacked it. But he did a pretty good job at giving us a bit of an example. He'd done a couple of little skids for us. Pretty cool. It's working sensational. And this way, he's going to get used to having the back brake down here, front brake down here. And when he does the transition to the bigger bike, you got a clutch. So it's going to make it a lot easier. That was one of the biggest things with my eldest son. I did notice one of the biggest things to get out of his head was the clutch is not a brake. So it's going to make it a lot easier for the other boys going on through this bike now. Now, if you're liking the content, please don't forget to hit the like button down below. And hey, if you'd like to see this thing get a massive birthday, put some comments down below. If we get enough comments and likes, might consider chucking it up on the bench and giving it the massive birthday, making it look sweet. As for that, stay real, stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.
Everything that I want.